First, check where channel 8 is on your remote controller. This is channel 7.
Channel 7.
This is channel 8.
Okay.
Turn on the flight controller switch. Toggle channel 8 back and forth to switch the light modes. This is the breathing light mode. This is the flashing mode. The lights change with the throttle. This is the off mode. Keep toggling it to cycle through all modes.
This is for
Channel 7 is used to switch flight modes. It is not recommended for beginners. Please keep the remote controller at its default power on setting, which is self-stabilizing flight mode.